In the 1950s, the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, sponsored a mind control research project it dubbed as Operation Midnight Climate. The purpose of this operation was to study the effects of LSD on people, and so non-consenting individuals in San Francisco and New York were lured by the CIA paid prostitutes to safe houses where they were slipped mind-altering substances like LSD. The individuals were then monitored from behind one-way glass. Over the next decades, Operation Midnight Climax provided the government with extensive knowledge on topics such as mind-altering drugs, surveillance technology, and even sexual blackmail. Experiments such as Operation Midnight Climax show the importance of following ethical principles when conducting research. In research, ethics represent a particular set of standards that govern how a given study is performed and how research is disseminated. So, let's look at some of the major ethical considerations in research. Number 1, informed consent. In following the ethical principle of informed consent, a researcher should provide all the necessary information to potential research participants. This allows the research participants to make informed decisions on whether to participate or not to participate in a given study. Researchers should also provide information including the funding risks, benefits, and institutional approval of their research. The second important ethical consideration of research is voluntary participation. When conducting research, you should avoid forcing individuals to participate in the research process. Researchers should avoid using pressure or coercion tactics, including providing incentives to research participants who do not want to participate in a particular study. Voluntary participation in research also means that research participants should be free to leave or withdraw from a study at any point without feeling obligated to continue. Researchers should also not ask for reasons why a given participant has left a study.